In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Jotform private. Whether you're managing sensitive information or simply wish to control who can access your form, switching your Jotform to private is a straightforward process. By the end of this guide, you'll have your form securely locked down, making it accessible only to those you choose. First, you'll need to start by opening the form you want to adjust. Head over to your Jotform account and find your form on the dashboard. Having all your forms right in front of you can make this step easy and convenient. Locate the specific form you intend to modify and click to open it. Once you're in, notice the menu options laid out at the top of the screen. Select the Settings tab. This section is your go-to place for fine-tuning your form's preferences, like notifications, integrations, and of course, access permissions. Clicking on Form Settings next is crucial. This is where you'll find more detailed options that allow you to fine-tune how your form behaves and appears to others. Once you're in the Form Settings page, you'll want to focus on finding either the form status or access permissions. Depending on the type of Jotform version or update, you might see either of these labels. Both essentially offer the controls you're looking for. In the Form Settings, under the relevant section, you should see a drop-down menu, or a few options when you click into Form. Form Status or Access Permissions. This is where we can actually set those all-important access controls. Set it to private or disable public access. By toggling the form to private, you prevent just anyone from filling out your form. Only users you allow will be able to access it. Feel the reassurance that your form and the information collected will remain confidential, shared exclusively with those you intend. When you set a form to private on Jotform, it can only be accessed by invited individuals. You can send them personal invitations directly from within Jotform. This is especially useful if your form is part of an exclusive project, a private survey, or any situation that requires a more controlled distribution. Make the most of this feature by taking some time to decide exactly who should have access. Remember, making forms private doesn't just limit access. It also reinforces security and privacy, offering you peace of mind, especially when dealing with personal or sensitive data. Now, with these steps complete, your form should be securely locked to those not on your invite list, streamlining the audience and keeping your data safe.